Welcome to the introduction video for Proficy for Sustainability Metrics. This short video will provide you an overview of the Proficy for Sustainability Metrics solution and walk through a live application. Our objective is to demonstrate a running system based off the included blueprint project, which will help you understand how to apply this solution to your facility. From a solution perspective, Proficy for Sustainability Metrics really enables that first step of your company's sustainability journey. It can connect and capture data from a wide variety of sources, such as PLCs, RTUs, meters, sensors, etc., and acts as that single repository for your sustainability data. With the included blueprint project, you can quickly build out a visibility solution and start understanding your energy consumption. Ultimately, Proficy for Sustainability Metrics provides you with the foundation for data-driven improvements, driving awareness, measuring impact of your actions, and ultimately reducing your energy costs. So what's in the box? Proficy for Sustainability Metrics includes a set of standard Proficy components that are all integrated and work together to provide a complete solution, including components for visualization, data collection, and connectivity. The included products for each component are listed here, and for new installations, only the first 4 components are required to be installed. If you wish to add the blueprint elements or the blueprint project to an existing Proficy Pulse or iFix installation, you can do so by installing only components number 5 and 6. Refer to the blueprint project README file on how to install and enable the project, or contact your local GE Intelligent Platform software representative for help walking through the installation. Once you have all the Proficy components installed, the blueprint project enabled, and the Proficy Historian simulating data, you'll be able to review the solution in full. Once you have a solid understanding of the application and how you wish to apply it to your operations, you would then engage a technical team or a GE solution provider to alter the blueprint project and set up communication to your devices to reflect your operation. Once connectivity is established and the blueprint project is altered to match your operations, you'll be able to collect some real data and then drive some improvements with respect to your sustainability. We'll now run through an overview of the blueprint project with simulated data to give you a feel for the solution and how an end user would interact with the software. The blueprint project was built with a wide variety of inputs coming from industry experts and key customers. We focused on building a project that is widely usable across 3 key industries, with the overall objective of monitoring what matters with respect to it starts at a high level and provides blueprints for an alternative energy site, a campus, and a manufacturing site, all of which have multiple levels of drill downs which go right down to the meter or data source. Sustainability Metrics delivers a flexible screen design where you can use the blueprint project as is or alter it to your liking. Many customers simply use the same formatting as the blueprint project and swap the imagery to match their operations, and through this methodology save many startup engineering hours. The meter data and calculations that you see on your left are pre-set up and roll up from the underlying groups and areas. You can easily switch the data to charts or trends or bar graphs by time slices of 1 minute, 5 minute, 1 hour, or 8 hour periods. At this highest level of the project, you can see 3 available blueprints, but this could easily be adopted to accommodate multiple sites of the same type or different types, or be applied to 3 different areas within a facility itself. Let's now select an area to drill down. We've drilled down to the manufacturing blueprint, and within this blueprint we've used an example of a cookie company. As you can see, the navigation updates with respect to where you're at in the project, so you can easily maneuver back up to the overview with a single click. Within this drill down area, the metrics on the left show the current water, electricity, and gas usage within the last minute for the selected area within the facility. In this case, the selected area is the packaging area. Users can then select different tabs to have the system show the applicable utility usage in that package area for the time frame. Here's an example of showing the water usage within the package area. Now, the gas usage. Now we're selecting the warehouse area within the facility and viewing their electrical usage. And finally, we're moving to selecting the packaging lines and viewing their water usage. From here, the user can dive deeper into the packaging lines and click on an individual meter or data source and see the lowest level of detail. In addition to the raw data provided by the data source or meter, the system automatically contextualizes the data into the unit that applies. In this case, water is being viewed and gallons is being contextualized. For all the utilities connected to the solution, the Blueprint project also converts the usage into cost and greenhouse gas produced, so you can measure the relative impact of the utilities in a common way. Now, if your facility doesn't have the ability to collect information automatically from the associated meter or data source, you have the ability to also click on the meter and write the value manually for a specific time frame. This gives you the ability to also integrate these isolated non-connected data sources or meters into Proficy for Sustainability metrics. In addition to the graphics we reviewed, Proficy for Sustainability metrics also includes other windows to view the information from an area or utility perspective. Using this screen, users can view the area level data from a pie chart and easily scroll through time, or select a specific time frame that they desire. We understand that many users want to further analyze data in an ad hoc manner, and we've enabled an export function to do just that. This powerful export function allows users to export an individual or multiple data points to a file for use in Microsoft Excel or other analysis tools. The Blueprint project also delivers other easy-to-use analytical tools to dive deeper into the data, analyze the usage, and put some actions in place to improve the sustainability. In this video, we've shown you examples from the manufacturing blueprint, but as mentioned prior, it delivers other blueprints such as the campus, which can be applied to a commercial, industrial, or institutional application, or the alternative energy generation site blueprint, which delivers the same tools for solar and wind farms. We encourage you to review each of the blueprints to enable the maximum amount of usage for your operations and minimize your engineering startup time. Thank you for viewing this introductory video for Proficy for Sustainability metrics. And if you have any further questions, please contact your local GE Intelligent Platforms software representative.